In this video, I am going to teach you how to rename Google Form link. So you have in here this particular Google Form. So this is a t-shirt sign up that I have and I access it through the responder's point of view. You can see right here that this is the link. This is the link which is the actually so long and so many characters link and I want it renamed. So in order to do this, we need to head over first to our Google Forms, then find in here that particular forms. So the port earlier is a t-shirt sign up. First things first, in order to go to Google Forms, you can go to docs.google.com/forms and then sign up or sign in to your Google account in order to access this. Now here's our t-shirt sign up. Click on this right here. And in here we have the access as its editor. So into this, what we can do is we can click onto this publish option and we can see in here this icon. So in order to do this, click on to this and we have in here this anyone with the link. Click onto this manage option and you can choose in here who can actually get access to this part. You can also click onto this copy responder link option and here, as you can see, this is the link that we have earlier. Click on the shorten URL and this will actually shorten the link that we have earlier. So you can head over and copy that. However, we do know that that link is still so long. So what we can do is we can head over to a new tab and then go to tiny URL. And then click on this tinyurl.com. And then in here, you can just input the long Google form link that we have earlier and then rebrand it. Enter in here the long link and then input right here the alias. For example, let's put in here teachers sign up. So as you can see, this is much more easier to remember than this long link right here. So wait for this to verify and once it's done verifying, you can shorten this URL and you can use it as you want. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.